Sydney. Today's video is all about my no heat beach waves. So I haven't been able to get a haircut in forever, so I've been really trying to keep my hair as healthy as possible at home. And I've been doing this two ways. One is not using heat tools, and two is washing my hair less. So I teamed up with Pantene to show you how I've been extending my no heat beach waves for 3 days. And just a heads up, this content is sponsored by Pantene, but all thoughts and opinions are always my own. After taking a shower, I let my hair air dry a little bit. Then I sprayed a bit of volumizing spray, and then I brushed it and I did a side part, but you could also do a middle part. So first you want to take the first half and just tie it into a ponytail. Now this technique is a lot like French braiding, but we're going to use 2 pieces instead. And depending on how big you want the wave to be, depends on how big a piece of hair you get. So about 1 to 2 inches. Now what you're going to do is take the bottom piece and wrap it under and then over. And then you grab another piece of hair from underneath and combine it with that piece that's underneath, and then repeat. Go take from under and go over and repeat again. And you just keep going until you've done your whole head of hair on one side. Once you have 2 pieces left, then you're just going to want to wrap those around. You finish with just a little piece on bottom, and I've tried multiple things, but I find that what works best is just to hold the hair in my mouth, it's clean, and then go on the other side. Once you have the 2 pieces, then you're going to want to wrap them around together and back and secure it with a ponytail. I like doing a silk ponytail, that way it doesn't leave any creases. And that is it. It's super easy and I just sleep on it. So I am gonna go to bed soon and I will check in with you in the morning. Good morning. Now is my favorite part where I get to remove my braid and see the waves. They're definitely a lot tighter in the morning and they loosen throughout the day. And I really only need 2 products to refresh. So the first is this Pantene Never Tell Dry Shampoo. It's free of sulfates and parabens, and it has pro vitamin B5 and wild mint, which makes it really fresh to smell in the morning. So what you do is you want to shake it really, really well. And then you start parting and lifting sections of your hair where you want volume. So I definitely want some in front, so I'm gonna shake it and just spray for added volume. So I'll just keep doing this around my head. So once you spray it to your roots, you just gently massage it with your fingertips to really get that added volume into your hair. There it is, so much more volume. So the second product I'm gonna use is for the ends of my hair. So this is Pantene Mist Behaving Dry Conditioner Mist. Again, free of sulfates and parabens. It also has pro vitamin B5, but it also has omega-9, aloe vera, and it really hydrates. And this is just for the ends of your hair. So what you're gonna wanna do is shake it again, and then you're gonna spray it 6 to 8 inches away from your hair and only from mid-length down in a downwards motion. So you don't want to spray this at your roots. And it just really helps get rid of those flyaways or those frizzies that you may get when it's warm out. So when I'm done, I just like to lightly roll my fingers through my hair, just kind of loosen up the waves. And that's it. So I am getting ready to do a TV segment through Skype and then go about my day with my beach waves. So I will check in with you later and we'll go on to day 2. I'm gonna get ready for bed now, but you can see what the waves look like after a full day of doing lots and lots of things. So each night that I want to keep my waves, I just do the same technique that we talked about with the under and over, but I do it a lot looser and then I sleep in it. Good morning. I'm actually going to keep my braid in this morning because I'm going on a social distancing walk with Jack and his best friend, but I am going to use the Pantene Misbehaving Dry Conditioner Mist because when I sleep my hair can get a little frizzy. So again, you want to shake it, hold it 6 to 8 inches away from your hair when you spray and only mid-length down. So that definitely helped get rid of the frizzies. Now I'm going to go enjoy some fresh air with Jack. I left my hair up all day because after our hike, I just caught up on work, played with Jack. So I will check in with you tomorrow so you can see day 3 waves. It is day 3, so let's see how the waves are doing. My hair is definitely a lot flatter than it was on day 1, but the Pantene dry shampoo will fix that, so I'm just gonna shake it and spray it onto my roots. Just massage it in a little bit, and definitely a lot more volume. My ends have also gotten pretty straggly after a few days, and I have some flyaways, so I'm going to use the Pantene Misbehaving Dry Conditioner Mist to help that. So shake it and spray 6 to 8 inches away. Sometimes I like to do a little hair flip for just a tiny bit extra volume. So this is day 3 hair, still volume and waves thanks to the products and the technique. So I'm going to take Jack to the dog park, go about my day, and then tonight wash my hair and repeat the entire process all over again for the week. If you have any questions, you can always ask them in the comments below. I also linked to the Pantene products in the description box. And make sure to subscribe for new videos. I will see you next week. Stay safe, stay healthy, and have great hair.